Yellow River Hukou Waterfall Spiral Lifting Stage. It's like a magic artifact in the staging industry. This stage can rotate and lift. It's absolutely amazing. Greatly enhanced the stage effect. It's ingenious. Stability is also very good. Don't worry about safety at all. And the operation is very simple. It's easy to create a variety of stunning stage scenes. Let the performance be visible from all angles. And it can lift and lower freely. Easily adjust height according to different performance needs. Whether it's a large performance or a small party, business event or private party, it handles everything with ease and perfect fit. With it, the creativity and effects of the performance can reach a whole new level.